Stone Curators. This video will show you how to use our stone collection tools to create presentation boards. These tools allow you to save, organize, annotate, and share pictures of stone that interest you. Stone collections are like Pinterest boards. While it's possible to create a stone collection as a guest on our website, we highly recommend creating an account and logging in. Doing so will allow you to access all the functionality and will allow you to save your collections securely. To log in or create an account, click the Login menu item at the top right. A login box will be displayed. If you already have a Stone Curators account, enter your email and password and click the Login button. If you don't have an account yet, click the Create Account item. Enter your information and click the Create Account button. You'll know you're logged in when the Login menu item changes to My Collections. Let's start by adding a certain stone to a stone collection. Adding stone to a collection always starts with performing a stone search. You can find the search function at stonecurators.com/search. There are three search modes. Text search, where you can enter any part of a product name, a product number, or a text phrase describing what you're looking for. Color search, if you just want to focus on the color of the stone. Guided search, this lets you search based on the stone's intended use, its color, its surface roughness, and/or the stone's origin. A video tutorial and step-by-step instructions for performing stone searches are available at stonecurators.com/help. You can also access a search by clicking on the question mark icon on the upper right. In this tutorial, I'll use the text search function to search for beige driveway cobblestones. These are the results of the search. There are 30 ready products that meet the search criteria, and if you scroll down the page, you'll also see 15 fabrication materials. These are cobblestone products and materials that are suitable for driveways, all of which have a noticeable amount of beige coloring. Hover your mouse over any image. Several controls will be displayed. The box in the upper left of the image is the currently selected collection. Every account starts with a default My Collection to which you can save all stone that you're interested in. Later in this tutorial, we'll show you how to create new collections as well as rename, edit, and share existing ones. To add stone to a collection, hover your mouse over an image. Click the Save button in the upper right of the image. The word Save will change to Saved, indicating that the stone has been saved to the selected collection. Repeat these steps to save additional stone from the search results page to your collection. If you want, you can perform additional searches using different search criteria, then save the additional stone to your collection. For example, if you were interested in mixing beige and gray cobblestones in your driveway design, you could do a second text search for gray driveway cobblestones and then add the stone from that search to the collection. To view your collection, click My Collections menu item in the upper right. Then click on the collection name you want to view. In this example, there's only the one collection named My Collection, so we'll click on it. The collection will be displayed. Later in this tutorial, I'll show you how to rename, annotate, and share this collection. You can also rearrange the order of the image and customize the layout. Next, let's look at how to share a stone collection with other people. Click the Share icon in the upper right of the collection page. You'll then be able to email a link to the collection to a work colleague, a client, or a friend. It's that easy. Next, let's look at how to create a new collection. To create a new collection, start with a stone search. In this example, we'll do a text search for gray cobblestones. The results will show cobblestones that have a significant amount of gray coloring. Hover over a stone you want to add to your new collection. Click the Create New Collection button. Name your collection. In this case, type gray cobblestones. The additional annotation fields are optional. You can enter text now or later by editing your collection. Click the Create button. You will see the new collection name displayed at the top when hovering over the stone. Now you can save the selected stone into the new gray cobblestones collection. To view your new collection, select it from the My Collections menu in the top right. To switch between collections, hover over any stone image. Click the collection name area in the upper left of the image. Select the desired collection name from the drop-down list. Next, let's look at how to rename and annotate an existing collection. Click the Edit Pencil icon in the upper right of the Collection View page. Page will change to Edit mode. Edit the collection name as desired. Add your name or your client's name. Add a project name and location, or add a description and notes. In this example, we have edited the collection name to Beige Driveway Cobblestones and added some client and project information. Click the Save button when done. The Collection View page now displays the new name and annotation. Next, let's look at how to change the display order of images in a collection. Click the Edit Pencil icon in the upper right of the Collection View page. Hover over the image you want to move. Click, drag, and drop the image to the desired location. In this example, we move the image for Product 600 from the first position in the second row to the second position in the first row. Click the Save button when done. The P600 image is now displayed in the new location. Next, let's look at how to change the layout of a collection. Click the Edit Pencil icon in the upper right of the Collection View page. You can change any of the following layout options: the number of columns to display, the space between images, show or hide image labels, whether to display the images in a grid or a masonry layout, and the content width of the page. In this example, we'll change the number of columns from 3 to 4. Then click the Save button. The new 4-column layout is displayed. This is what people will see when you share the collection. Finally, let's look at how to delete a collection. First, display the collection you wish to delete by selecting it from the My Collections menu. Then click the trash can icon in the upper right of the Collection View page and confirm that you want to delete the collection. Well, that's all for now. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we release new website tools.